Why do people repeat the same mistakes, in love, in work, in life? Most think it's bad luck. This book says it's human nature. It's not about being perfect. It's about being aware. We are emotional before we are rational. We react, justify, then call it logic. Most conflicts start inside us, not outside. This book exposes patterns we don't want to admit. Ego, insecurity, envy, need for validation. You don't see others clearly until you see yourself honestly. The more unaware you are of your own emotions, the more controlled you become by others. Power doesn't come from manipulation. It comes from understanding. Understanding what drives people. Understanding what triggers you. Understanding when to pause. Self-mastery is the highest form of power. When you stop reacting, you start choosing. When you understand human nature, people become predictable. And predictability creates calm. This book doesn't flatter you. It sharpens you. Read it to see people clearly. Read it to lead yourself better. If this made you uncomfortable, that's the point. Like the video. Follow for book-based wisdom. Subscribe to master yourself first.